How to redeem Multiversus beta code. First of all, go to multiversus.com. You can see the URL at the top of the screen. Then click anywhere on that web page. It's going to ask you for your date of birth. Go ahead and type it in, then click confirm. Then click the top right hand corner where it says closed alpha sign up. Then it's going to ask you to either sign into your Warner Brothers Games account. So if you do have one, you can just go ahead and sign in there. If not, you can create an account. I'm assuming most of you will not already have an account. But once you're in that create an account process, it's going to ask you for the email you want to use, and it's going to ask you for a password as well. I'm not going to show it on screen right now for obvious reasons, but make sure you do have access to that email and remember your password because you might need to verify account details in future. It'll also ask you to create a display name as well. And once that's done, it should say success, and it'll go through this page here where you want to click accept and continue, and you can also close this next pop-up too. And right in the center of the screen, it should be in the beta management section. It says redeem a beta code. Go ahead and enter the WB Games account code there. Type that in, click redeem, and it should be good to go. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.